Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. Today I am going to tell you about Meor Pre-Alpha, my most popular video ever. It has 212 views currently. So the updated version of Meor Pre-Alpha has come, and now I will tell you how to install the updated version. So to install updated version, you need to go from the website from link in the description and download this Meor Pre-Alpha June 4, 2021. Just click on download. So it will start downloading. I will just close this ad and let's wait for downloading, and I will meet you when the download has been successfully completed.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, my file has successfully been downloaded. Now we will move where the file has been downloaded. So here it is. Here the file has been downloaded successfully. So now we will extract it, and from this page you can understand that I will bring a crack of Bedrock edition, of Getting Over It also. So stay tuned for it. So I will just now we will concentrate on this Meor. So here we are. Here is my Meor updated version, which is June. So here it is. So I think you would be remembering the same icon here. We will just open the game to see if it's working or not. I just double clicked on it. So it will load it, and here it is. So the page has been changed. The main menu has been changed. Now when you click on play, you can now create a new world, new universes. We will create a new. Now you can give it name also. Wow. I will give it my name only, Technical Rudra. So I think so creative is only there, and seed. I will write a seed. I know what is seed, so I will write a seed, my name only. So okay, and now you will click on create. So here it is. Now we will enter this. The whole game is completely changed. We can now create new worlds, and new main menu is there. So here we are. This is our new graphics. So here we are now. How the animation is going, I'm liking it very much. Now I will. Oh. No. So here we are, guys. A new Meor Pre-Alpha. I think so. From B we can fly. Okay, I got it. Okay. So here it's the sky. So from tab we can open the inventory also now. Okay, I will just open it. It's so much that I will just quit this world and make a new world. It's so much disgusting. Now settings we will see. Now, y-axis and all the things. Here it is. We can increase the volume also. We can include the resolution also, and 60 FPS is on. Means I am playing this game in 60 FPS. Seriously. I will just go back and click on play and create a new world. I will create this only. Now I will enter this. So it's loading the stuffs. Now the world is loading. Wait a second. As you can see, the world has loaded. From tab we can open the inventory. Select the mysterious metal. It's the most favorite metal of mine. Mysterious metal. I will just break it. Means now we will get blocks also by breaking it. Wow. And from control key you can increase the size of the mining area. From alt you can open the options like look distance, lock pane and lock horizontal. I will click on default only. Now from F you can select the shapes, like if you want to build this type of, like if you want to build this type of, like if you I'm finding a like C, like this only. There has built a square. So from F we can select the action menu, like we need to place the blocks. I will just mine it. I will just mine it. Okay, so we need a plane surface here. Oh, the Meor alpha has completely been changed. Oh, what will happen of chicken? Chicken. Yes. I will just throw chickens. Oh, it's not throwing. Wait a second, guys. I think so. I am flying. That's why. Okay. Now from. So here is my chicken. I have got chicken in my hands. Just place it there. There. I will just place it there. So guys, as you can see, the chickens have been successfully placed. Oh, a chicken got fall. So now this game is having gravity also. This is also good. Now we can put torch also here. Oh, which really looks nice. So guys, the new version of Meor Alpha has came, which is this is the 4th June version. You make sure download this, and I have video only because you like that video of Meor Alpha most. I promised you also that I will make a, if any update comes, I will make a video on it. So yeah guys, I have made because of that reason. Okay guys. So now I will just spill water here. Yes, so I will just take water here. Oh, so it looks like this. Okay. Okay, the graphics are so real. So guys, that's it for today guys. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.